tried to ignore you most of the time. Tried not to adore you. A fool's errand, I know. Relentlessly you torture me with your irresistible charm. So beguiled by a subtle smile and effortless disarming, I just realized I never knew I loved you until I looked in your eyes. I never knew I loved you. You made my heart come to life.
You seem to ignore me most of the time, like you were imploring the stars to simply align, incessantly tormenting me with every distant glance. So bewitched, don't know what switched, but I saw a fleeting chance. So I simply smiled. I never knew I loved you until I looked in your eyes. I never knew I loved you. You make my heart come to life. I never knew I loved you. It's like I just realized I never knew you loved me. What a delightful surprise.
I never knew I loved you till just right now.